This is not a drill. We repeat, this is not a drill. As the world population decreased to 8 million people, the extreme food scarcity caused by lack of farm workers, food industry workers, glitches in trees and agricultural fields around the world, supplies of medicine has highly decreased by lack of medicinal plants and resources for production of medicine supplies. It is unknown how the phenomenon has caused. It is no way to get rid of this phenomenon. If you or your family member has no clip to the back rooms, there is no way to escape the back rooms, as it's confirmed that you or your loved one are doomed here forever. Animals are no clipping to. The end of our world is near. No one can stop the end. If you have family members currently in the real world, seek comfort with them as before the whole humanity got no clipped out of reality. If you are an unbeliever, then read your religion's holy book and pray to your God. If you don't have your family members or they no clipped out of the real world, then just seek comfort at your final times. We wish to whole humanity a painless and peaceful end of our real world. Our anthem will start to play on our television. Please stand by.